Hello, my dear learners. I hope you all are doing great. So, we know that choosing the wrong course can cost us 3 to 4 years of our precious time. And today, the job market is changing faster than ever. So, during these times, I'm sure you must be wondering, is ACCA really worth it? Or is it just another foreign degree hype? Are you going to make a smart decision, or is it going to be a risky choice? So that's exactly we are going to clear in this video. Before we understand about the value of this course, let's first talk about the basics of this course. What is ACCA? So ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Basically, it's a professional accounting qualification, but a globally recognized one. It is recognized in 180 plus countries, and that's the reason that the opportunities, the scope of opportunities for you increases because of this course. Another very important thing is that it's a very flexible course. It provides flexible study options. It allows the students to earn while studying. There is no group pressure that you have to clear one group in order to move to the next one. Single papers आपको clear करने होते हैं. Multiple attempts दी जाती हैं. 4 attempts in 1 year. So that's another benefit. And यहाँ पे exams are computer based. So it is ideal for working professionals also and students also. Now talking about the course structure. So the course structure here comprises of 3 important levels, 3 main levels. The first one is the knowledge level, skills level, that's the second level. And finally, we have strategic professional level. Together in all of these 3 levels, हमें 13 exams pass करने होते हैं, 9 at the fundamental level and 4 at the professional level. Apart from these 13 exams, there is a module, ethics and professional skills module. आपको ये भी complete करना होता है, but nothing to worry, it's a very simple one. Another important point that if you want to be an ACCA member, then just passing these 13 exams or completing the skills module is not enough. You need relevant work experience. और कितने सालों का 3 years का work experience आपको चाहिए है, whether you get it in the profile of accounting, audit, finance, tax or business roles. And the best part is that आप इस relevant work experience को complete कर सकते हो before starting ACCA, during the ACCA or after giving the exams. But member बनने के लिए आपको ये 36 months का experience complete करना पड़ेगा. And this I've already told you that the exams here at all the levels are computer based. You don't have to write anything, you have to type. Exam windows opens 4 times in a year during the month of March, June, September and December. You can attempt 1 paper or multiple papers per attempt. So if you want, आप knowledge level का एक paper March में दे सकते हो, another paper you can give in June, or whenever you are ready. You can also give 2 papers together, 3 papers together. So you basically have 4 chances, 4 attempts every year, and multiple attempts आप दे सकते हो in order to qualify for ACCA. So now we know about the basics of ACCA course, but very important here is to understand the eligibility criteria for ACCA. यहाँ पे बहुत flexibility provide करी है ACCA ने, and there are multiple routes through which आप ACCA कर सकते हो. So the first one here is after 10th. After you've completed your 10th, you can start ACCA, but not directly, via FIA route. So आपको foundation in accountancy clear करना पड़ेगा, which is provided by ACCA. Then another important and most sought after route is after 12th. Whether you are a commerce student or a non-commerce student, direct ACCA entry है, provided आपके 65% marks हैं in accounts or maths and English. Then another route is graduation. So if you are a graduate, whether commerce graduate or non-commerce graduate, again you have a direct ACCA entry. Here you also have exemptions available. अगर आपने BCom करी है तब आपको कुछ exemptions मिलती हैं. अगर आप pursue भी कर रहे हो, then also आपको कुछ exemptions मिलती हैं. Even the postgraduates have direct ACCA entry. तो अगर आपने MCom किया है या MBA किया है in finance, direct ACCA entry है, and exemptions here are also more. So अगर आप कोई professional qualification कर रहे हैं like CA or CMA, whether you are pursuing CA, आप CA इंटर ग्रुप 1 कर रहे हैं, ग्रुप 2 कर रहे हैं, या आप CA फाइनल में हो, या आप CA क्वालिफाई कर चुके हो, तभी आपको exemptions मिलती हैं. So ये exemptions होती क्या हैं, कितनी exemptions मिलती हैं, let's understand that also. So simply put, ACCA exemptions means you are allowed by ACCA to skip certain papers out of these 13 papers. If in your previous courses you have studied certain papers which are equivalent to these papers, इन ACCA, तो ACCA उन्हें एग्जेम्प्ट कर देता है बिकॉज ACCA वैल्यू करता है आपके टाइम को और एफर्ट को, कि अगर आप कुछ ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हो तो आपको दोबारा वो पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट। बट यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट ये जो एग्जेम्पशंस मिलती है वो सिर्फ फर्स्ट 2 लेवल के पेपर्स के लिए होती हैं। प्रोफेशनल लेवल के पेपर्स के लिए कोई भी एग्जेम्पशन नहीं होती है, नो मैटर आप कौन सा कोर्स कर रहे हो या करके आए हो। मैक्सिमम एग्जेम्पशंस 9 ही मिलती हैं फॉर द नॉलेज लेवल एंड द अप्लाइड स्किल लेवल्स। एंड अगर हम बात करें द मोस्ट कॉमन एग्जेम्पशंस विच आर अवेल्ड, वो होती है बाय बीकॉम ग्रेजुएट्स। अप टू 5 एग्जेम्पशंस मिलती हैं। अगर आप परस्यू कर रहे हो बीकॉम तब भी आपको अप टू 5 एग्जेम्पशंस मिल सकती है, प्रोवाइडेड ACCA ने जो यूनिवर्सिटी सर्टिफाई करी है उन्हीं से आपने बीकॉम करी है। देन ऑल्सो अगर आप CA इंटर परस्यू कर रहे हैं या आप CA फाइनल क्वालिफाई कर चुके हैं, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो आपको अच्छे नंबर की एग्जेम्पशन मिलती है। एंड CA अगर आप क्वालिफाई कर चुके हैं तो अप टू 9 एग्जेम्पशंस विच इज मैक्सिमम, वो भी आपको मिल सकती है। CA में इंटर कर रहे हो then also you can get certain exemptions. This is a separate topic in itself because there are many intricacies involved. कौन सी exemption मिल रही है किस पेपर की, that depends upon आप कौन सा कोर्स कर रहे हो, कहाँ से कर रहे हो, whether it is certified or not. So a lot of factors need to be considered. So it is very important that before you register, आप ACCA के official exemption calculator से identify कर पाएं that आपको कितनी exemptions मिल रही हैं। And in case you have any doubt related to ACCA, you want any kind of counseling, आप हमारी टीम को contact कर सकते हो on 88880402. The team will revert to you and आपकी जो भी queries हैं related to ACCA वो solve करी जाएंगी। Also in the description Google form attach किया गया है, please go and fill the form, put in your queries and as I told you आपके सारे doubts को solve किया जाएगा। I'm sure you might want to know the fee structure also. So let's quickly take a look at that also. Now ये जो fee structure है ये 4 components में divided होता है। Registration fee होती है, one time registration fee, and अगर हम Indian currency की बात करें so approximately it amounts to 11,000 rupees. Annual subscription भी आपको देनी होती है which is like around 140 pounds which amounts to 17,000 Indian rupees. Then there is exemption fee also. So जितनी भी exemptions आप avail करते हो उसके लिए आपको fee देनी पड़ती है per paper. This amounts to 84 pounds to 114 pounds. So basically we know that different papers are there at different levels. So different levels पे different papers की different fees होती है. But yes, that's the limit. So approximately 10K से 15K तक की fees आपको देनी पड़ती है exemption की per paper. Then we have exam fee that is also per paper. This ranges from 147 pounds to 260 pounds. Approximately 18,000 to 32,000 in Indian currency. So if we talk about total ACCA cost, this amounts to around 2.2 to 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 lakhs. But there is a good news that इस fee को हम significantly reduce कर सकते हैं if we are studying from any approved learning partner of ACCA. And like I told you, we are gold approved learning partners. So यहाँ पर आपकी annual subscription fee काफी हद तक कम हो जाती है. If you want to know more details about the same, you can ask our support team. So now we are clear about the cost structure, the fee structure, but what about the returns? ये जो investment होगी by parents, उसका कुछ अच्छा return भी निकलेगा या नहीं? So let's talk about the salary also. Expected salary, average package क्या होता है after ACCA? If we talk about India, अगर आप freshers हो या आपको up to 1 year experience है, then average package ranges from 4 to 8 lakh per annum. If you have up to 3 years of experience, it can increase from 10 to 12 lakh per annum. And then अगर आपको 5+ years experience है, आप सीनियर रोल्स का एक्सपीरियंस ले चुके हो, then that can significantly increase, exponentially increase to from 15 lakh to 20 lakh per annum. And student sky is the limit, depends upon the kind of role that you are in, right? Depends upon the company that you are in. So there are many factors जिस पे आपकी salary depend करती है. And if we move from India to abroad, especially countries like UK, UAE, Singapore, यहाँ पे salaries बहुत ज़्यादा होती हैं. Now talking about career opportunities. So if you do ACCA course, because it is international in nature, international mobility है, so your opportunities also increase manifold. काफी सारे job roles हैं like financial accountant, management accountant, auditor, tax consultant, financial analyst, business analyst, finance manager, risk and compliance manager. Then you can get a role in financial planning and analysis and so on and so forth. And if you want to take a quick look at the companies जो ACCA को hire कर रहे हैं, so big 4 accounting firms से लेकर MNCs, banks and financial institutions, consulting and share services firms, ACCA's की demand is increasing day by day. And that brings us to the most important and the final part of the video Is ACCA valuable?
So first and foremost, yes, ACCA is valuable because ACCA offers global mobility, which means that it is like a global passport. We know that it is recognized in 180 plus countries. It is the easiest way to get a job in other countries like UK, Canada, Australia, Middle East. Also, we know that India is becoming a major accounting and finance hub. बहुत सारी firms like Big Four, MNCs, they specifically hire ACCAs to handle international accounting standards. Second important reason, ACCA is AI proof and a future ready course. The kind of syllabus that they have that focuses on strategic leadership. So you will be trained not to be replaced by technology, not to be replaced by AI. Digital skills enhance करी जाती हैं इस course के through data analytics, AI tools, cloud computing. Third point is that it offers flexibility, which we've already discussed. That ACCA इस तरह से डिजाइन किया गया है जो working professionals के लिए भी suitable है, the students who are not working उनके लिए भी suitable है. And then a very important point, but I fail to understand why this is not talked about. ACCA आपको train करता है to become a leader in sustainability reporting. We know that now the scenario is changing. Companies are legally required to report their environmental impact, ECG, environmental social governance reporting, and ACCA अब इसे अपने syllabus में incorporate कर रहा है because it wants you to become one of those few experts जो qualify हो green finance को manage करने के लिए. तो ये आपको green advantage देता है. It helps you in becoming the expert जो कि sustainability reporting में companies को help करे.
And last but not the least, ACCA offers high earning potential. Return on investment is strong. Undoubtedly, initial cost हमें expensive लगता है. Expensive होता भी है. I will not say that everyone can afford this course. But over a long period of time, it gives you good returns because you get global and MNC jobs. Salaries are relatively higher and salary increases faster with experience and as you develop more and more skills. Combining all the factors together, we can conclude that ACCA is highly relevant and a worthy course in 2026.